I always believed that yes, beautiful things are meant to happen magically in life. I told myself enough of everything, just live it and live a simple life. Engineering is not a degree only, it's an approach of looking towards life. That shortcut is never the right way out of the plethora of options and opportunities you have in front of yours. The more successful you become, the more lonelier you will become. Value relationships, value life, fight hard, but hug tighter. If you have to live your life in your own terms and conditions, please do not allow anybody else to write the conditions for yourself. I write my rights and no conditions apply. मुट्ठी में कुछ सपने लेके भरकर जेबों में आशाएं, मन में है अरमान यही कुछ कर जाए, कुछ कर जाए। सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में, दीपक सा जलता देखोगे। अपने ही हद रोशन करने से तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? मैं उस माटी का वृक्ष नहीं जिसको नदियों ने सींचा है, मैं उस माटी का वृक्ष नहीं जिसको नदियों ने सींचा है। बंजर माटी में पलकर मैंने मृत्यु से जीवन खींचा है। मैं पत्थर पर लिखी इबारत हूं, तुम शीशे से कब तक तोड़ोगे? मिटने वाला मैं नाम नहीं, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? झुक झुक के सीधा खड़ा हुआ, अब फिर झुकने का कुछ शौक नहीं। अपनों ही हाथों रचा स्वयं, तुमसे मिटने का ख्वाफ नहीं। तुम हालातों के पट्टी में जब जब भी मुझको झोंकोगे, तब तब सोना बनूंगा मैं, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? Hello everybody, hi, this is Chandrima Roy, yours truly Kobitai Kothalap. So here I am here to share my story, to share my journey with all of you. A small girl from a small town who did not know anybody in the metro city named Kolkata stepped into the premise of Jadavpur University with an academic career, objective aspirations, and is here in front of you all today talking about the legacy of the journey, the path that we all share, all of us who travel from a small place with a small hope in mind. Believe me, I had no objective of planning something named Kobitai Kothala, but I always believed that yes, beautiful things are meant to happen magically in life, and they do happen that way. So what is Kobitai Kothala? Is it a brand? Is it a band? Is it a team? Is it a performing format? I get to hear these questions day in and day out. Trust me, it's the name of a journey which was because of the friends, by the friends, and for the friends. Kobitai Kothalap is a journey which started literally from footpaths. The year was 2012. The immediate job that I was doing was in an engineering college. An assistant professor in an engineering college started Kobitai Kothalap literally from footpaths. We had nothing in our pockets at that point of time. I even did not have our own place to stay. I used to stay in a hostel that time, so it's obvious that there was no place to rehearse, there was no place to do meetings and plannings and everything. We started practicing and rehearsing from the stairs of Dakshinapan, from the stairs of Robindra Sadon, and of course my own premises of Jadavpur University, and that's it. I used to ask myself every day, every night that this is something which is as big as a mammoth's task, and what the hell I'm going to do with it? I have nothing. Jetake Nidhiram Sardar bole. But trust me, it happens. There were friends around me who joined hands, who told me, we want nothing, but we want to give you a support for something you are desperately trying for. And they did. I'll never forget to name 3 friends of mine who basically initiated this journey: Arnab Bhattacharya, Devangshu Mukherjee, and Doipayan Roy. These 3 people had stood by me as rock as a pillar, as solid as the Himalaya, and it is they who made the journey possible, never me nor me. We used to rehearse in footpaths. Doipayan told me one day, Chandrima, why don't you rehearse in my cafeteria? He used to run a cafeteria that time, and he told me that I am not going to do any business the day you and Arnabda sit here and rehearse. Let me tell you, he was struggling with us at the very same time. A struggling guy, a struggling entrepreneur offered his all place, stopped his business for all the days. We rehearsed at his cafeteria. If this is not a miracle, then what is miracle in life? I don't know. Kobita Kothilaf was born in the year of 2012 September, and in January I started working for Heritage Institute of Technology, the youngest professor in the department at that time. And as you know that there are always new phase resistances in whatever sphere you try to explore your journey, or you try to just browse at what opportunities you have. Days were difficult, but the first day I had to rush to a program right from my college, I understood that it is a college washroom where I have to get myself dressed up and ready for a show. Trust me friends, the story has not changed till date. Getting ready in a college washroom after everybody is leaving home for their own respective time, I had to start another day of my other shift. Don't think it is easy. I'll try to share one experience of mine with all of you. That day I was supposed to interview a Prime Minister's office representative in Doordarshan Kendra, Kolkata, and I was getting ready in my college washroom in such a position when there was no water in the washroom and some of us students just vomited in the next basin. I was standing beside and getting ready. I felt like giving up many a times. এত কষ্ট মানুষের সহ্য হয় না, trust me. I told myself enough of everything, just live it and live a simple life. But miracles do happen. I'll never forget a lady who is responsible for cleaning all the toilets in our building. She told me, madam, there is no water in this floor. You give me 10 minutes, I'll carry 2 buckets of water and clean it for you. You are feeling sick. আপনি অসুস্থ বোধ করছেন এখানে দাঁড়াতে, আমি বুঝতে পারছি. Trust me, she cleaned it, just carrying 2 buckets of water in her hand. I sit in the 6th floor in my department and everything was like a magic clean. That moment I understood it is these people for whom I cannot quit. I can quit for myself, but I cannot quit the people who believed in me, who supported me, who fought the battle which was never there just because of the reason that they wanted me to find. If you ask about women empowerment, I really don't believe that empowerment is anything which has to do anything with gender. Empowerment happens over a soul, over a spine, over your intellect, over your identity. Yes, if you are a woman, you will have additional glitches and additional comforts and additional confrontations as well in many cases. But that really does not make any significant difference to your curriculum vitae. I'd love to tell with all of you, those of you who are listening to this video, that it is often hard that একটা ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং একটা কবিতা মেলাও কি করে, দুটো polarized জিনিস না, দুটো polarized না. The more deep you go, the more you understand that everything is actually entangled with each other like this. সবটার সঙ্গে জড়িয়ে আছে, এরা কেউ আলাদা না. I often try to make my students understand in the class, if you are enrolling for any curriculum, please don't restrict your mind frame with the idea, with the notion that you have to do a testing job. You are bound to write codes for programs and companies. You don't. Engineering is not a degree only. It's an approach of looking towards life. It's an approach of looking any problem with more agenda-specific problem-solving aptitude. Why don't you learn it and apply it in anything that you want to pursue in your life? Your profession can turn to your passion can drive you to profession. You can extremely have 2 polarized sort of things which apparently do not converge, but you can do them with equal efficacy. Take it from me, it does. I'd like to tell you one thing, that we always find that I am nobody in the city, I have no support. We have a very typical kind of a mindset that support is mostly about financial terms and conditions. No. The biggest support that you really need in life is a moral support, is an ethical support. It's a kind of a pillar on which you can fall on, knowing very well that you are going to be taken care by the people who are around you. That support you have to earn, my dear. That will not fall from the sky. I used to tell myself every day when I was a toddler in the domain of elocution and entertainment and academics, everything, that I am the one who is fighting all odds. You are supposed to. We all pay for our choices. Today, if the designation of founder, director of Kobita Kothilaf comes, it comes after my name. Why? Because I had put my sweat and blood and everything behind it. So whom do we expect else to pay the price for? Why should they? It's my dream, my passion, it's my choices. And yes, please try to be confident enough to leave your choices at your own cost. You will lead your life at your own terms and conditions. You cannot expect your family members to pay price for it. No, they won't. If you are convinced enough, if you are competent enough, if you are courageous enough, then only please step into this path. Otherwise, miracles are not going to happen. Miracle is not a magic. It's just an enhanced probability. Look at the universe. It happened from nothing to everything. Look at Big Bang. The rule of the growth for this universe is from micro to macro. পৃথিবীতে সব কিছু ছোট থেকে বড় হয়, বড় থেকে বড় হঠাৎ করে হয়তো তৈরি হয়, but that's not all about the rule. I'd like to share an experience of mine with all of you. It was only 2013. Centenary Conference of Indian Science Congress was happening in the city of Joy, Kolkata. And I was chosen being the national correspondent for Prasar Bharati, and that gave me a wonderful opportunity. I did interview 2 Nobel laureates in my lifetime. I could have an opportunity to meet the then President of India, APJ Abdul Kalam. And these things is not going to fit into any one curriculum vitae that you prepare for. This is in the curriculum vitae of the life you live. These opportunities are those opportunities which are going to give you a push. My mom every time reminds me that there is no magic in anything that happens in the world, and the word no does not exist in our dictionary. Hobe na bole kichu nei, shob hobe. You have to know how you have to make it happen. There are ample of right ways. There are so variety of right ways that there is no hypothesis that my right way is going to match with yours. But please make sure one thing, that shortcut is never the right way out of the plethora of options and opportunities you have in front of yours. It is often said that if you are doing too polarized stuffs, you will get tired. I beg to differ. Relaxation of mind is what? It is change of topic. It can never offer you boredom as long as you are enjoying your work. Please find out such something which can give you a push so that you can run faster. You can ask me, am I not tired? Yes, you are. Am I not tired? Yes, I am. But what is the choice otherwise? Do you have any other alternative? If not, then please go and pursue your dream. If you think that it's not working, then please understand that you have to work a bit more harder towards it. I always believed in living my life in my own terms and conditions, and being a kind of a hashtag single woman, living a single life, more importantly doing all these diverse things for which the society has a kind of a, oh okay, this is the thing then. An eye-wearing factor like this, you are supposed to hear a lot of tera beka kotha from around. I do not find it weird, but you have to make the prestige following you by your conviction, by your sincerity. I had nothing in that particular way. An 18-year-old girl from a small city who had the idea of Kolkata, just named being after Victoria Memorial, Ganga Nodi, Jadavpur University campus, and few more, nothing else. How do I go and reach out to people? How people come and reach out to me? How do they get to know me? How do I get to know them? How does these things happen? But they do happen. You know why? Because you have to win people. I often tell one thing to my students. Everybody where I go and I share my journey, I tell them one thing very simple: win people. It is always a man behind the machine that matters. It's a human mind that is writing down the rules and regulations. Corporate offices, companies are not some absurd stuffs which fall from the sky. It does not happen like. It's the same set of people. It's a collective set of mindset. It's a collective set of resistance. Wherever you go, whatever you look like, please try to look through an object and you will find it is a human mind at the end of everything. Try to win that mind. You will not win that mind overnight, my dear. It will not happen like a magic. Even in a relationship, we have to win the person over years, right? So this is how it happens. There is no magic, but you have to enhance the probability of occurrence. What is success? It is something, a kind of a magic that falls from the sky. It is like a star fall? No. It is something which enhances the probability of achieving what you have aspired. If you think that it is not working for you, then probably you are not working hard enough, or you have to find out something a way better which makes the probability more proficient, more inclined to let you achieve what you have aspired. You will get tired many a times. You will fail also many a times. The more successful you become, the more lonelier you will become. Success has its own byproducts of lot many things. but please have enough courage to accommodate them, to accept them, and to evolve. You will often hear that you are not being able to attend family functions, friends get together, parties, and slowly people stop calling you. And when you need somebody, you hardly find anybody around you. You just scratch on and on your phone call log, your contact book, and you do not know whom you have to call, whom you have to talk. These things happen, my dear. They are bound to happen because that was your decision, that was your choice, and you cannot force anybody to pay the prices for the choices you made. It does not happen like that. If you think that you are into a profession which is not driving enough, please brave enough to choose something which suits you, which can keep you moving even if it is 2 o'clock at night. If you think that you have the spine in you, you have the courage in you, which can really enable you to accomplish what you have aspired out of life, go for it. Society understands success. They are always behind successful people. I'm not asking about compromising with your values and virtues. Those are the stuffs which holds you tight to your roots. Please be connected to your family. Please do talk to your parents day in and day out the maximum they can, because those are the people who are going to ask you for yourself whether you had a lunch or dinner. The rest of the world really does not care much. Value relationships. Value life. Fight hard, but hug tighter. That is important. If you have conflicts between your passion and profession, please try to find out that what is that golden stick, what is there in the Pandora's box, which can really enable you to find out that where is the peace within you, where you really do not find your passion and profession conflicting with each other. And you can really do that, when you see that the people around you, they are living for the reason you are fighting for, you will automatically beg support. You will automatically gather appreciation, love, gratitude from people around when somebody will see that you have been consistently fighting for something ages after ages. I had resistances in many ways. Who turned out to be my biggest support? My student base. They used to come to me and tell me, "Madam, you don't have to shout a lot for the laboratory today. We could see that today you had a program and it was in a far place. You might have returned very late night. Please take care. You will feel empowered." If this is not a recognition, then what a recognition is. It is difficult. Not finding a glass of water after a tiring day at home is difficult. It is difficult to accept that there is nobody in the city who truly cares about how difficult it has been to commute from 5 meetings to the 6 meetings day in and day out, where you really do not know where you are heading to. It is difficult to understand. We all want support. We all prefer to be protected emotionally, socially, financially, physically. There is no human soul available on earth who will refuse to have these things. But please understand that it is yourself who has to offer you these things first. Unless and until you do it for yourself, nobody else is going to care. If you have to live your life in your own terms and conditions, please do not allow anybody else to write the conditions for yourself. Do not empower anybody else to dictate that what the terms and conditions can be for you. We all have one life to live, and that should be lived by the best I can deserve and I can attain. Do not let anybody else write the rules for your life. I'd like to conclude my talk with some very 3-4 lines, and that is so inspirational that I tell myself whenever I feel a bit morose, I feel a bit down, and I'd like to share that with you all as well. Kobita Kathalab literally started from footpaths. My mom told me one thing repeatedly: there is nothing impossible in the world. You just have to find out one thing which makes it happens in the way you want. You have to find out that one thing which will empower you to let things happen as per your wishes. For that, you cannot quit. Please don't surrender, either win or die, but don't surrender. Compromises with your passions, with your choices, with your priorities really do not matter much. You will find a lot of people around you who will give some 100,000 number of excuses for not being able to. Please understand it very clearly that one who can, one who cannot gives excuses. Please don't be one of those lakhs of list numbers who are there to give excuses. You are supposed to do here and show the world that, see, this is how it has to be done. People will call you aggressive. People will call you hooligans. Never mind. It is you who achieved, not they. Really don't care about what the society talks about you. If you achieve something today, the society will talk about the achievement tomorrow. It is you who has to make things happen the way best you could. Kobitar Kathalap started from footpaths, I repeat, and today we have an India and UK and USA chapter. It is people who made this happen. Never me, never me, never the person who stands on the stage. It is the people around it. I'm a tree, not a forest. Be the snowflake, not the snowfall. And please remember that you choose to empathize, choose to be different. I write my rights and no conditions apply. Thank you.